Hi, this is Justin Lucho from Justin's Party Puppets. Today we'll be performing at the Childcare ABC Childcare Center. So stay tuned. We hope you enjoy the show. We'll be performing our Little Mermaid show.
Well, hello everyone. How are you all doing today? Good. Glad to hear it. Today, me and my friends are going to meet you guys.
Anyways, I'm glad you all could visit me today. My favorite thing to do is read. I always find books on the surface for my collection. Oh, that reminds me. My best friend usually helps me, and he should be here soon. His name is Fishy Frankie. Help me call him. Everyone on the count of 3, shout, "Oh, Fishy Frankie!" Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Fishy Frankie!
I have a little something I would like to say. That human world is great. Everyone, clap along.
This started good. As I, Tiffany the Sea Witch, I'm big, bad, and mighty, and I can cast spells and make potions or whatever you desire.
Tiffany, you're supposed to be scaring these people. To me too. What does that sign say? Ah, you want to be my friend? Well, sure.
Yay! Oh, my voice is back! I was able to make a friend and the deal has been broken! Yeah. Happily ever after, and I don't get my started.
That's good. Reading helps with your learning skills and everyday life. You read pretty much everywhere you go. So, I'm going to read the movie showtime. That counts, right? Well, I guess, but perfect. Let's go see that new Marvel movie. Good for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed our show.
Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our show. And if you'd like to book us, the link in the description will be in the links below. Thank you. Bye-bye.